welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel, where we explore the world of trading and investing. Today, we're going to talk about the Bear's Power Indicator, a technical analysis tool used to measure the strength of bears in the market. Go to Indicator section and select the period we're using in this video, period 16. Go to the main section. This video topic is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is Bear's Power Indicator? Number 2. How to use the Bear's Power Indicator. Number 3. My Bear's Power Indicator strategy. Number 1. What is the Bear's Power Indicator? The Bear's Power Indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to measure the strength of bears, sellers, in the market. It helps traders determine whether sellers have control over price movements and signals potential bearish trends or trend reversals. Who developed it? It was developed by Alexander Elder, a well-known trader and author, as part of the Elder-Ray Index, which combines both Bull's Power and Bear's Power indicators to analyze market strength. Number 2. How to use Bear's Power Indicator. Trend confirmation. When Bear's Power is negative and decreasing, it confirms a bearish trend. When Bear's Power is rising towards zero, it signals a potential reversal toward a bullish trend. Divergence signals. Bullish divergence. Price makes a lower low, but Bear's Power makes a higher low. This suggests bears are losing strength, signaling a possible trend reversal upwards. Bearish continuation. Price and Bear's Power both make lower lows, confirming the downtrend. Combining with EMA. If Bear's Power is below zero and crosses above it, it might indicate a buy opportunity when combined with price crossing the EMA. Conversely, if Bear's Power is above zero and moves downward, it might signal a sell opportunity. Number 3. My strategy using the Bear's Power Indicator. Buy signal. When the Bear's Power Indicator rises above zero, it's a buy signal. Sell signal. When the Bear's Power Indicator falls below zero, it's a sell signal. Divergence. When the Bear's Power Indicator diverges from the price action, it's a sign of a potential reversal. The Bear's Power Indicator is a powerful tool for measuring the strength of bears in the market. By using this indicator, you can identify potential trading opportunities and make informed decisions. Remember to always combine the Bear's Power Indicator with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize your trading success. Keep watching trades. More trades. Use the strategy and achieve the goals. Must subscribe my channel. Boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more